All right, what is up, guys? So if you're here, you may have seen my other video of the Crosshair 6 Hero motherboard update for the BIOS using the flashback feature. If not, and you're new, well, welcome to the channel. Just here to talk a little bit about today of what parts I chose and why. Heads up, this is not really going to be a how-to in-depth guide of the PC build or anything. This is just going to be talking about the parts, what I chose, why I chose it. Alright, well, first off, you probably guessed it, is the Crosshair 6 Hero. I chose this motherboard just because it was a little more budget friendly for me. I hear that it has great overclocking abilities, and that's pretty much it. Pretty much why I chose it. You have a lot of USB ports that you could utilize. That's pretty much it. I also went with the EVGA Geforce 1070 Ti. The whole graphic card thing right now, the prices and everything. I mean, I spent about $400 on this, and I think it's going to do everything I needed to do. Next up is the processor. I went with the Ryzen 7 2700X, which is not supported by the Crosshair 6 straight out of the box. That's why I did the BIOS update using the flashback feature video. Next is the Western Digital 1TB hard drive. I went with the performance version just to get a little bit more, well, performance out of it. The kind of RAM I went with is the Gskill's TridentZ DDR4 3000 megahertz. And just to show you guys quickly what I'm going to be pairing it with, the keyboard is the Corsair K55 RGB. Has a nice little wrist rest that is detachable. You could take it off, put it back on. I have the Logitech G403, and I'm pairing the PC with the Asus VG248. It's 144 Hz, 1 millisecond response time. It's 3D capable, full HD, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna snap right to the computer build. All right, guys, and here she is in her full glory. Let me go ahead and get that let me get that glass cover off. So heads up, the case is a NZXT H500, and these thumb screws well, are a little bit hard to deal with. Not too bad though. And there she is. There she is. Yeah, so I love the case. The case was really easy to work with. This radiator, the two fans in the front you can't see, wasn't hard at all to get in. Just as a disclaimer, guys, I'm not a professional in any way. This is actually my very first PC build, and I ran into no issues really. Everything was pretty straightforward. Yeah, there's the RAM. Like I said, I went with the RAM because it just matched the case and the board so well. I'm sure you guys can imagine when it's lit up, everything nice glowing red. You got heat sinks here that have RGB in them, one underneath, and I mean everything glowing red in there. It's really nice. I do have two RGB fans that I'm going to be replacing these. These came with the case, and I also have custom cables. I'll show you guys. All right. Here's the custom cables. I went black and red. I got the Quiet Edition Corsair AF120s, two fans. Like I said, I'm going to be replacing those with. So we're just going to go ahead and skip forward. Here's just a quick shot of everything out of the bag and the case and everything. You can see how it all looks. And once again, here she is. Finally finished. The new custom cables. The fans are in there looking good. And the beast is alive and well. I think she's looking real good. Here's how she's looking in the dark. So yeah, guys, I mean, she's finally done. I'm gonna get her all hooked up. Maybe I'll do another video of like performance, in-game performance and all that. temperatures, frames per second, stuff like that. If you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Coming to check out my very first PC build. Came out very good, no problems, everything was straightforward. And appreciate if you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. There's going to be many more videos coming to this channel. And I'm looking forward to growing with the YouTube community. And yeah, thanks for stopping by.